So
Yes,
let me ask you this. Why, obviously there's choices, but why Icon? Why our kit? Why not the competitor's kit?
because I was comparing the competitor's kit to the Icon kit, and it seems so much better.
So I am here with this beautiful black on carbon Z06. This thing looks incredible. I'm gonna show you the car in a minute. My day has been a nightmare and I wanna show and share that with you. So here it is. Currently sitting in my rental car with a dead battery in the hotel parking lot. Great way to start my morning. In Rock Hill, North Carolina. Nope, not North Carolina, South Carolina. Rock Hill, South Carolina. So Hunter here is strapping it up and getting it locked down so we can take it away. I've got to figure out with National where my freaking ride to my new car is. So that's going to be fun.
Alright, so the Uber will be manually dispatched for you. Once they have a ETA, once the service has been dispatched, you're provided with the estimated arrival time for the Uber driver. Do you feel safe waiting on them to get to your location?
Yes, I do. I feel super safe.
So thanks to making it national, real excited.
Jesus, and just hang up like that? So this whole ordeal, it's as you see, it's 2:45. I don't know, what time does this place say it closes? 2 p.m. So through all the BS, they send me to a closed location to pick up a new car. Great. Yeah, so that's been my beautiful day, all day. Haven't eaten all day, so I'm gonna eat a little salad right now. They gave me grilled chicken, which is what I didn't ask for, but hey, I haven't gotten anything going my way today, so why start now, you know? So it's a pretty late start. It's almost 4:30. We're starting at 4:30, so this video will get dark, which really is not what I like, but we're gonna get it done.
Stop.
rental car just showed up. So I heard they were gonna give you crap at first. They called me, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they called me and was like, really? Well, they called me and they were like, the card you have on file, because you know, you were supposed to return it today. The card you have on file is declined. I said, I know, I turned it off because I knew, you know, what they were gonna do in preparation for, you know, what they were gonna do. So I was like, dude, I'm not paying for any extension at all. Like, it's not gonna happen. I should have been on a plane at 8 o'clock tonight, and because of your car, I had to like stay a whole nother day and all this. It was ridiculous. So, well, thank you for everything, man. I appreciate it. No problem. Appreciate it.
Can we get your YouTube?
All right, guys, we are done here in, where are we exactly, Troy?
Rock Hill, South Carolina.
And that's about 45 minutes, give or take, south of Charlotte. What, other than the carbon fiber accessories, have you done anything else to it?
I have the cold intake, the E-Ventura, and I changed the throttle bodies. I put a lot of the fibers, the carbon fiber pieces on it. Yeah.
I definitely noticed the carbon fiber for sure. That was one thing.
And the high flow cats.
The high flow cat, okay.
Yeah, high flow cats.
Nice. So you were gone when I started this. Obviously, I was supposed to be here a lot earlier, but we had some rental car issues. Thank you, National. And you came back, you came home, and I had one of the doors done. What was your first impressions when you saw it up?
Oh, I loved it.
Now that it's all done and you're seeing it in person, was it what you expected before we started?
Yeah, what I expected and even more.
Is it?
Yeah, it was nice. I saw a lot of videos, but in person is awesome.
Well, I definitely appreciate you for watching the videos. I mean, that's why we make them, is to kind of just educate and just show people like what we do. So what do you think of getting in another car? Do you mind showing people how you get in? I know you asked me before, because I always let the customers kind of go up and down a few times before I put them on camera. And I remember when you asked, like, now I have to learn how to get in, and that is a common thing. Like, it's because it's different. So people have to kind of learn, you know, a different way to get in and out of the car. So do you mind showing us you getting in and then showing us you using the door, and we'll ask you some questions along the way. We won't laugh at how you get in. So was that easy to pull down?
Yes.
Is it easy to pull down? You want to go ahead and open it for us? Show us that.
Yeah, nice and easy, man.
Nice and easy. Smooth?
Smooth. Yeah.
Nice. Obviously, like I said, it's a lot of this part of it, it's muscle memory, it's new because you're not used to like lifting a door like this. So yeah, muscle memory, you'll learn the high points, the low points, the stopping, all that kind of stuff. You'll master it within a few days for sure. I love that you went with the torch edition because it really flips with the calipers.
Yes.
So let me ask you this: why? Obviously, there's choices, but why Eikon? Why our kit? Why not the competitor's kit?
Because I was comparing the competitor's kit to the Eikon kit, and it seems so much better and nice and smooth and no metal to metal or nothing like that. So I think it'll be better than the other one.
Well, we definitely appreciate. I definitely appreciate it. It was a pleasure. It was my pleasure to do this Z06. It is, like I said, it is beautiful. But I'm gonna head out because I missed my flight and it's 9 o'clock. But how long does it take to get to Charlotte?
Which part of Charlotte?
The airport.
The airport? Probably about 30 minutes. According to the traffic.
Okay.
About 30 minutes.
I'm gonna see if they have a flight that leaves late tonight. I highly doubt they do because I think I looked at it this morning. I don't think they do. But started a lot later in the day than I wanted to, obviously. But again, thanks, National. But if you guys have any questions, you know how to get a hold of us. Again, Troy, it was a pleasure meeting you.
All right, thank you.
It was my honor.
Yeah, I appreciate everything.
And that's this one. So like, subscribe, share. Until next time.